So thank you so much if you have watched the second video and my first video on how not to get addicted and how to improve your communication skills. The third video that I'm going to talk about is about to get ahead in life. Now, to get ahead in life, I'm not talking about the things, get ahead of people, right? Get ahead of the things, right? In this video, I'm going to talk about get ahead of your own self, what you were earlier. See, with this lockdown, not only in India but across the world, there is a high chance, even the International Monetary Fund, IMF, had declared that we have entered in a scenario wherein the economy is going to fall. We are in a state of crisis. And that's the moment where all the different organizations are looking for layoffs, and that's when you need to show that you are still valuable for them. You need to upgrade. Think of the qualifications, the degrees, the skills that you had maybe a month ago, maybe before the lockdown, and what you can do after the lockdown. I mean, at this point of time, my friend, if you are not improving your skills, if you're not upgrading yourself to maybe anything, then I think it's going to give you a very negative impact after the lockdown. The reason why is very simple. IITs, the recruiters in IITs and IIMs are now backing off. They are not ready or not able to recruit because they don't have the funds for that. And that's again the reason why, if you are employed in an organization, definitely you're looking for not only a salary, a pay hike, your ability hike, you're also looking for a better working environment. If that is the case, then you need to upgrade yourself. And upgrade yourselves in what? You can upgrade yourselves in the way you talk, you communicate your skills, your leadership skills. You can upgrade in learning of how to brand yourself. A very good example I will say of upgrading yourself is, let's say you want to work for Google and you are a coder. Okay, you are a coder, you are working in an organization and you want to upgrade yourself to go to a dream job or a dream company, that's Google, and you want to code there. But you also want to make sure that the HR of Google, he or she needs to know you what kind of person you are. Google is such a big brand, and definitely they need branded and really capable people. So that's what the thing comes in. Do you know the other skills which can actually help you to upgrade? If that's not the case, then you need to understand what are the other things that you need to do. We have already entered an era, a whole decade. I think this is going to be a decade of transformation. Why? The decade of transformation is simple. The reason is because no more the critical jobs or the normal jobs that were used to happen by people is going to stay, remain there. Things have changed now. Not only skills are going to matter, but the way you upgrade yourself is going to matter a lot. For example, as I want to be a coder in Google, that's totally fine, my friend. But how do you manage yourself to build your brand so that the HR of Google notices you? How do you market yourself and how do you brand yourself? Do you have that ability to negotiate a price that's going to be meaningful for you? And if you know that, well done. If you don't, you need to work on the other branding and marketing skills. There's a core skills that you have, right? Coding, and there are other set of skills which are going to support your core skills, and then at the end is going to help you to be a better employee, a better person, and at the same time bringing a lot of value to a different organization, right? I hope this video was able to helpful for you of how to get ahead in life, because if you're doing this, I'm rest assured that even a crisis hit, don't think that it's going to be effect in your career or in your life, because at the end it's going to be still the same, because you're working on yourself from such a long period of time, upgrading yourself when others were binge watching Netflix and YouTube when it was not useful, right? Thank you so much for watching the video. If you think that this video was useful to you and had added any value to your life, the way you want to add value in your life, then please think of subscribing to this video, liking this, sharing this, and do write in the comments what are the things that you are working on, the skills that you're working on, and how you're going to upgrade it, right? Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.